In this video, I will show you a detailed review of Fliki AI and compare it to Pictory, two popular AI content creation tools. For your convenience, the links to both Fliki AI and Pictory are in the description below so you can try them out. Before we dive into the review, let me show you how to create a free account with Fliki AI. Click the link in the description to sign up for a free account. Once you've created your account, you'll have access to Fliki AI's full range of features. Now, let's get into the review. Fliki AI offers a wide range of features, including a variety of templates, customization options, and advanced editing tools. It's perfect for creating marketing videos, social media content, and educational videos. Pictory, on the other hand, focuses more on simplicity and ease of use with a user-friendly interface and quick video generation process. In terms of use cases, Fliki AI is great for businesses looking to create professional videos without the need for expensive software or technical expertise. Pictory, on the other hand, is ideal for individuals and small businesses looking to create quick videos for social media or personal projects. Fliki AI offers free plan while Pictory charge $19 per month. In conclusion, Fliki AI outshines Pictory in terms of features, content quality, ease of use, customization options, customer support, and pricing. For users looking for a superior AI writing tool, Fliki AI is the clear choice. Click the link in the description to try Fliki AI for free.